announcement in Guwahati that even if the interlocutor comes, you are not going to meet him. So can you please
No,
brief
my
us
party can meet him, I will not meet him.
Sorry?
My party can meet him, I will not meet him.
What are your grievances that you are not meeting him?
Why should I meet him?
So what can be the way forward? If you
I don't think there is a way forward.
There is no way forward.
I don't think so.
So where does the issue end then?
It does not end.
So you're not going to meet him?
No, I will not meet him. Let the party meet him.
Okay.
Let other stakeholders meet him. I'll personally not meet him.
So can your party decide on the talks or?
Of course, party has already been empowered. There's a high-powered committee. We'll go and meet him.
Okay, so if the party comes up with any decision in the talks, so how will you take
it? If it's not to the satisfaction of the indigenous people, then I will not agree. And I'm sure the party will not take any decision which will be against the interest of the indigenous people. I'm sure about that also. And I don't think the interlocutor is coming because I've been told 6-7 times and I have not seen him.
Okay.
So I'm not sure if he's coming.
Okay. So you're not seeing any solution coming, right?
See, if the interlocutor has not come till date,
yes,
then what is the solution? I was ready for a solution.
Yes.
But has anyone come from Delhi?
That's right.
Notification came out, then they cancelled. Then Amit Shah said he's coming, then they haven't come. So they called me up. Mr. Mishra called me a few times. Then Manipur problem happened. Okay. So who am I to say if any solution is going to come?
What would be your next step if no talks happen?
We will hit the streets.
Okay. Any deadline for that?
I don't give deadlines. I think patients have run thin. People only go to Manipur because there is violence.
Okay.
When people are asking for something peacefully, then there is no reaction. Okay. So the government of India, I don't think has not taken. I think they're probably very busy, so they have not taken us very seriously. If they're serious, then they will talk. If they're not serious, then they will not talk.
Okay. Previously also you decided something like that, but NEDA convener...
They called me up. NEDA convener said, please show some patience.
Yes.
So I waited, and I'm still waiting. But now I've realized that as an individual, I don't want to, be involved.
Okay.
What is deadline? Is deadline trying to break the party while saying, please wait?
So you're not seeing any solution coming?
No, I only see solution coming when you shake the tree. See, I have no complaints against the central leadership of BJP.
Okay.
Or Hemanta.
Okay.
I have no complaint. Okay. But I think the attitude of the state government is regretful. What is the use of sending people after they've gone back 4 times on their word?